Hey guys, it's the one and only HER.ARTIST and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be drawing Jessie, a popular Instagram model with almost 300,000 followers. The Instagram biography doesn't have much info, so I can't really tell you guys much about her, other than the fact that she seems to travel around the world a lot and influences beauty products. The reason I decided to draw her today is because she's got this glamorous look going on that I really like. Plus her shiny hair and lips, as well as her big eyes, make her look like somewhat of a real-life doll. Since I'm very good at drawing things shiny, I'll do my best to really capture those aspects of her hair and lips in my drawing. Now, before I start drawing this girl, I've noticed that most of you guys have yet to subscribe to my channel, so please do so if you want to see more art videos of beautiful models. Also, don't forget to give this video a quick like while doing so. Furthermore, if you've got any suggestions on which model I should draw next, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'm thinking that this drawing will turn out well, so please watch and enjoy the video, and let me know what you think of the end result.